you demand less waste in laminates and melamine? Then upgrade to Freud's LU96 thin kerf double-sided laminate melamine blade, available in sizes of 8, 10, and 12-inch blades. This blade provides great finishes in double-sided laminates, melamine, and veneered plywood. It has a thin kerf and TCG grind for extended blade life in abrasive man-made materials. It comes equipped with Freud's TiCo high-density carbide for maximum performance, and with Freud's anti-vibration technology that stabilizes the blade for smooth, clean cuts and extended blade life. The LU96 blade also comes in a non-stick perma-shield coating to help with pitch and heat buildup to protect the blade. Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.